Hey, clear the window all the way off the turn. It's like all the way up there.
Nothing.
Don't use your fingers.
Up there.
Look, see the water?
Look at the water.
Oh, God. Yep. You can't see nothing.
Look at it. Look at the tracks over there. It's up to them.
Dang. I'm trying to film the video.
Grass all over here. This is still rising.
Hey, Jay,
Hope
you
it
know,
doesn't get to the point.
I bought a milk.
You mean Justin?
Yeah. I'm like, sometimes when we come over y'all house,
I've ever seen it.
I'll start making videos.
Alright.
It would be basketball. I'm gonna have one of y'all to hold the camera.
Alright, I'll hold it.
Yeah. Dude, this is hard. I don't get how you supposed
Dude,
to see.
it's way back there though.
Dang, it's covering up trees.
Yeah, dude. Oh, you didn't see the Mississippi River, fool. You can't even see the Mississippi.
You just gonna see the river.
See all those trees? Because this is the farm area back in there.
Yeah. It's all farm.
Them cops for
All farmland back
cops
there.
for can't take all that water.
And it's still rising.
That water's gotta be like right there. It's gotta be like
Wait, that's a road right there. With a poles in.
that's a whole
No, you
field.
can't even see where the Mississippi River is.
I do. It's right there with the bridge is.
I know what I'm saying.
You don't know which part it is. Well, this is.
I do. Where the tree lines start.
Yeah. Dang!
Up there.
This is too much rain. We couldn't have went on Sunday. It rained even harder Sunday.
Let me check my weather real quick though.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. It looks almost like all of this is the Mississippi River. I mean, you can kind of see where those trees are, but it's like the
Where
water
the trees are, that's the Mississippi River. Oh, where the other side where the trees are at. It's Mississippi.
It just complete what they call
Oh, it's gonna stop at 5.
Stay too much.
It's gonna stop at 5.
What do you mean it's going to stop at 5?
The rain gonna stop at 5 o'clock.
Right, but the problem is the water is coming down the Mississippi River from the northern states.
Oh, are we
This is not just
going?
the rain.
Wait, what is a big body? Look at your foot. Are we going the wrong way or the right way?
The right way.
I don't get it. The pyramid's we supposed to be past the pyramid over there, George.
Supposed
The
to be
pyramid right there.
We going backwards then. No, it's not.
It's going backwards.
I
That's
don't
going
know.
backwards.
That says Tennessee. We're going this Memphis right here.
Oh,
So we're-
I'm acting retarded.
So you saw the
Where
trucks
you
going back that way?
Yeah, that's
No, we're going into Memphis,
Oh, okay.
which is Memphis is
Mud
right
Island finna
there.
be flooded. Matter of fact, Mud Island gonna be gone.
Man, you keep on writing like this. Shoot, that whole building, the whole building go.
Now this building right here gonna be flooded in the inside out.
It's too tall.
I mean, the water can still come over and just go in there.
You can't go over the pyramid.
Not over, I'm talking like in it, it'll go in it.
Everybody
I
go.
think they've already learned to. I don't know if they put the sandbags. Generally, you have sandbags and all that to prevent the water from
Ooh, somebody got pulled over. The 18 wheel got pulled over. The 18 wheel got pulled over.
This is easy. Foot, George. It's gonna be a long drive. Kind of. Once I got my phone, get this YouTube channel. Emergencies. That's for emergency trucks.
Construction.
I got a good view now. Anybody can do it. Plus, we be speeding up in the rain. Somebody got a cool.
Roads have gotten really bad. Oh shit.
My camera thing messed up. No, it ain't. Oh, the old bridge flooded. I can tell. I can already tell it's gonna be a whole bunch of water.
The bridge is not flooded.
I'm talking about I mean it's gonna be a whole bunch of water.
It's gonna be way flooded. So y'all got y'all phones back?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got mine back.
Okay.
Yep.
Which one was broken?
Mine.
Still is.
Mine cracked mine today.
Okay, she said Belvedere.